All right, so I'm going to talk a little bit about rollerball wellness. So I like simple, right? I like just, I don't want to think about it. And rollerballs really do that for me. I love just the simplicity of the whole thing. So what I use Raven and Thieves, I use it all the time, and rollerballs make my life easy. So this is how I do it. I'm going to give you a little tip. If you're watching the video, I'm actually going to show you a little bit on the video. But you get a little rollerball, make sure the stainless steel type, that's perfect. You slap it on a brand new bottle of Thieves, right? And make sure you're using the topical application Thieves bottle. When I get up in the morning after my shower, I'll swipe the Thieves on my feet a couple times here and there, and then I'll put my socks on.
Okay.
That's my routine in the morning. Thieves on the bottom of my feet.
I put things
All right,
on
tell
the
me
bottom of
why.
my feet too.
If you don't know why, then I would say you're probably going to have to do a little research on why. Because the FDA has this little rule, you can't talk about supporting the body's systems with a topical application. I mean, imagine eating, what is it, Vicks Vapor Rub, right? We know that's supposed to be, okay, but you can't eat it, right? So they don't want people taking topical application stuff and putting it in their body. But I will tell you this, it has like cinnamon, lemon, rosemary, eucalyptus in it. So it's got oils in it that are really, really good for the body. So take a look and research those. But for me, I don't like to have to go, I can't afford to get sick.
Well, you're doing it to keep yourself above that wellness line.
Exactly right.
Okay.
Yeah. So the best offense or the best defense is a good offense. There we go.
Something like that.
So this is my routine. All right. So back to my routine. So Thieves on the bottom of my feet and then Raven on my chest. Okay. Every day without fail. And I would challenge you guys. I know you guys have your routine, so I'm speaking, generally. But I would challenge folks to go and do that for 30 days. Do it for 60 days. Just make it part of your routine and just watch how your body just loves it. And you feel good. And you don't have to go to the clinic as often, at least in my experience. So,
That's awesome.
yeah, that's my rollerball wellness thing. It's pretty easy. Now, what about the kids? Okay, so Young Living, this is what my daughter does. Okay, so we have the Kid Sense Snifflies, which comes diluted. It's ready to go, right?
Okay.
So this is what she uses in the morning, right? And then at night when she's going to bed, you want her to wind down, she uses Sleepy Eyes. Again, you just put the roller ball on it. They put it on the bottom of their feet, and they're good to go. So
And a routine is important. It's very, very
so
important.
important. Easy
Well, that's
peasy.
cool. Thanks for sharing that. I don't have either one of those little products there
That does make it very easy for
for
children.
the kids.
For children to
I'll look
use.
into that.
Well,
Thank
it's
you.
very empowering for the kids. You just, hey, this is for you. This is actually something created for you. It's a blend. It's diluted already. Slap a roller ball on it. Empower them to go do their thing.